These are the VAEHOLD towel hooks. These work really great. They basically have the self-adhesive on the back here, and you just put it wherever you're looking to mount it. Basically, when I put these up, we do property management, so we put these in all of our properties. I just aim to put it at the base of the top hinge here and just center it. If you have a 6-panel door like this, just works phenomenal. You could see her. Really nice hook. You could see you could pull on her pretty tight. This self-adhesive works really great. We've bought these in all different colors: white, silver, black, gold. They all do a phenomenal job. They look really nice, and they just were very happy with them. Pick these up. They sell them in a 4-pack. This is what it looks like right here before you take the adhesive off. It's got the paper on the back. Just peel it and peel it off, and then just stick it up. I usually put some pressure on there for about 15 to 30 seconds, and they just stay up, no problems at all. Like I said, we do property management, so we have a lot of tenants in and out of the properties, short-term property management. So there's a lot of wear and tear on the properties, and I've never seen one of these come off. They just do phenomenal. So if you're looking for some towel hooks, absolutely check out these. They're great.